Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today, I'd like us to start off with the chart on my screen, EURUSD. This is the first day of the week. So you can see that the price is in a very good downtrend. We had a break below this low here. This candle here typically broke below it and closed below it. The next one opened, continued downward. This is still continuing to the right side. So as it is now, we are waiting for price around this line. We have a support here, we have a support here. We don't expect the current day's candle to close below this level, but if it does, then we are going to wait for another close below this point to confirm that now we are on the lower side. So we are waiting for price here, the first place. The next place is this one. So if the price breaks and closes below this point, that would mean we are now continuing to the lower side. But as it is right now, expect sell positions, expect more sell orders up to the levels which I've just mentioned. So the next chart which I want us to have a look at, GBPUSD. This is also a sell. We are also bearish on this one. So we have a very good support here. We have a support here, and following the fact that the price closed below this point, the price is around the same place. We are expecting the current day's candle not to close below this point, but it should come back and close slightly above this point. So in case the price breaks below and closes below this level, then that would be a sign that we are now looking for more sell positions. We expect the sellers to push price even lower. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is bullish. We are buyers. You can see we have several indications for a buy. We had a buy, we had a buy, we had a buy, and as we're speaking now, we're supposed to have seen a buy somewhere around this area here. So those are places you're supposed to buy from. Because we had a resistance here. We had a very good resistance. We had a resistance. There is the break above that resistance. As we are speaking right now, the price is continuing much higher. So we are expecting that the price may likely ascend and close above this point so that it can continue even higher. My next instrument is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far as it is now, we are looking at this level here. This is the place I want to look for a buy from. We had a resistance. There is this candle which opened below it, closed above it, it continued upwards, coming back down. So this here will be the ideal place to look for a buy from. Within these two lines is the place I want us to look for a buy from. My next chart is the Brent oil. With the Brent oil so far, on the first chart the price is consolidating. I hope you can see that. So we have that, and then you have another line at the top. And then you have another one here. So basically we had a resistance, If the price moves up and touches the line at the top, then that will be the best place to look for a sell from. So we want to see the price pull back up to this line, touch this line, continue downwards. That would mean we are expecting a sell at least up to this level here, which is 91.256. So if you're on this chart right now, keep looking for sell orders. Expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this point here. So we do have other shapes here. We have that, and then so we have this, and then you have another. So we have that. Then we have another. Then we have another. So this chart is filled with sets of consolidation areas. And then you have another. The reason I'm drawing this now, even those that happened in the past, is not because they're useful now, but because if you just learn how to draw them very well in the future, in the past, you can learn how to recognize them when they're just starting to happen. So that should be it for today. I will meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.